Hi everybody, we're back at this front door again. Yeah, believe it or not, I'm still cleaning it. Anyway, it's been a few months, or like maybe 18 months since we featured this door. You can see how it's starting to go grey again. It does happen, it does come back, but first things first, I'm going to give it a wash and then we're going to give it some more treatment. The reason I'm cleaning it is not only is there a lot of Jehovah's Witness blood on it, the kids, bogies, you know, dogs, people rubbing up against it, general grime. Always wise to give it a good clean. But you get the drift. And also I'm using a black cloth on a black door. The old trick just makes it easier to clean. Doesn't leave any flakes of or flecks of the gold cloth that you were going to use. That blood's coming off nicely now. At this point, take no for an answer. Anyway, I'll do this on fast so that you won't have to watch it. My little doggy, come and sit here, come and sit here. Come and sit here and watch what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. What's Daddy doing? Got a little helper today. Well, that's done. Now to stage 2. If you've watched any videos before, you're that sad to watch doors being cleaned. Oh no, I can't believe I'm doing it. You would have seen me using Polytrol, my tatty old bottle. Fabulous product. Can't recommend it enough. You've seen what it does to the door on previous videos, and I'm going to show you what it does in a minute. But they've actually updated the tin, so in case you're wondering how to get hold of it, that's what the tin looks like now. Been rebranded. So we'll be using this tin just so that you are familiar with the look of it. I'm pretty sure it's on Amazon. I'll put a link below. But yeah, it's 500 millilitres, lasts forever. So let's see, how much do we need to use? As I've shown before previously, you don't really need an awful lot of this. I've given it a little stir. Wow, you know. Yeah, literally. And that's it. Might need a fraction more, but you know, I think it's best just to start with a small amount, and you know, I'm sure. I will apply it with a little paintbrush. Now this one's had a little Tina Turner back comb, I notice, so sorry about the cheap and nasty state of my paintbrush. That's probably going to haunt me with the rest of this job, but I might snip some of those off because I'm just feeling lazy. Why won't it stay down? I've got a fringe like this. Yeah. Anyway, I'll get rid of those. Okay. Okay, so I've got the Tina Turner brush. I've got my Polytrol. Let's give it a go. The first few times I tried this, it was a little bit more delicate. It seems to be getting a little bit more laissez-faire, for want of a word. You get the drift though. It seems to spread quite a long way. So we cleaned the door, we let it dry. It takes a few minutes to dry, especially in this wind. Slap it on. Now, like in previous videos, I can't believe I'm doing a trilogy of door cleaning videos. That's how I sound like my mic is got. But it's good practice for, you know, we do YouTube at work. And I wanted to know, how do you post a YouTube video? You know, I'm an old git, obviously, so my children think this is against the law, doing anything on YouTube over the age of 25. So I thought, well, let's work out how to do it. And so I did it. And now I'm doing it again, only because it needed doing anyway. You know what, I think I didn't pour enough on that first video. You know, when I was saying, hey, you don't need much. You do need more than you think, but it still goes tons of far. Now this is all looking glorious and luscious, and I bet you're thinking, that's going to dry back and look terrible. But I think you might be surprised when you try it yourself. Look at the shine on that. I mean, it's unbelievable, isn't it? Build. Right, that's the bottom half. I'm now going to move to the top half with a little bit of dappled sunshine. Look at that. Had the sunshine tapped in. But I mean, like where the glass is here, not being too delicate. I'm actually sure it makes a difference here. But almost done now. Because I'm getting in all the crevices with the brush. That does help. Anyway, it's pretty much done. I'm sure there's painters and decorators watching this game. Oh my god, what a bodger. Well, maybe true. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Look at the sheen on that. See the reflection. Yeah, I reckon you need to do this once a year. And there you go. That looks good now. Trust me, that will look exactly the same tomorrow and for the next 6 to 8, 10, 12 months. And it takes 10 minutes to tosh over, so I think it's worth the 10 minutes. There. It took a while to dry, but this is the following morning. It's now dry to touch. I think it's because it was so cold last night. Probably not advisable to do this in the cold. Dry to touch.